Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn about new poem in your book that is given as chapter 4. Okay, poem. So a caller would do. So here, firstly, I want to ask you people that how many students are having pets at home? Okay, and what kind of pets do you have? Okay, so now which animal do you have as a pet? What does it look like? Okay, what does your pet likes to do, what it likes to eat, how long have you had the pet, how do you take care of it? Okay, so I just want to ask you this thing because this poem is related to a pet shop. I hope that if you are having a pet, so you must have visited the pet shop also. So first of the exercise that is given to you is this pet maze. Okay, so here in this we have to find 7 pets. Most of the love pets, there are many animals that are kept as pet at home. So the name of the 7 pet animals are hidden in the word maze. Can you spot them? One has been done for you. So I have already find out the one is already done, lovebirds, and we have find out cat, rabbit, fish, turtle, parrot, dog. So now let us start with our poem. Here, what is happening? Here, have you ever visited a pet shop or heard about one? Have you seen it? Okay, some people, those who have pet, must have seen the pet shop also. Let us read a poem about a boy who once went shopping for his pet cat. So now there is a father and the boy who has went to the pet shop to buy some things about for their pet cat. So they are having a pet cat. Please remember this thing. Okay. Hello, can I help you? Asked the man at the store. Yes, it's my pet cat that I have come shopping for. Well, of course, young man, what do you need? Queried the man. So here what is happening? Here the man, the shopkeeper asked him, how can I help you? Okay, hello, can I help you? Now the pet person wants to ask, when you visit somewhere, when you visit some store, so these people asked you, do you, like, how can I help you? Like, what do you want? Okay, ask the man at the store. So this is the shopkeeper or someone who is helping at the store. So the person who has visited, this boy and the his father maybe, so he said that yes, I want to buy, it's my pet cat and I have come for the shopping. Okay, I have come here for the shopping of my pet cat. So he said okay, of course. So now he queried means ask, so he asked, what do you need? Okay, what things do you need for your cat? So the next paragraph here is a collar and a tether. Okay, a collar and a tether to start with, said I. So now the boy said that I want a collar. What do you mean by collar? So it's a part around the shirt, the neck of the shirt, or used for the animals. If you have seen, always the dogs like this, they have collars in their neck so that we can tie it with the tether. Now what do you mean by tether? Tether is a rope or a chain that is used to tie an animal to the fixed point. Okay, so here is one thing is that an animal, a dog, mostly a dog, always have in their neck is collar and there is a rope going on. Okay, एक rope हम tie करते हैं so that it can be fixed to one point so that we can keep the dog to a fixed point. Dog is kept in here in the cage, but normally when you have dog in your home, you don't put it into cage like this. You usually tie it with the tether. So that is your tether. Okay, a rope like thing that you join it with the collar and to a fixed point. Okay, so what the this boy want? What this boy want? This boy want a collar and a tether for its cat. For his cat, he wants two things. Okay, a collar, sure, yes. He said that yes, I like, it's okay, like I can give you collar, but a tether for the kitty. He is confused. Kitty means cat. He said, you want a tether means you want a rope for your kitty, to tie a kitty. Beta, when you're talking about cat, cat is someone who is like free in nature, who does not, they have this kind of nature that they like to roam free. So usually you don't see cats to be tied up with the tether. Please remember this thing, because here tether means that you are going to fix that cat to a one point, so it could be difficult for a cat. So puppies can be on a leash. Okay, tether second synonym is leash, if you remember, leash and taken for a walk. But cats are usually not tied, we do not tie cats. Okay, so they roam freely as they are independent in nature. Because they are independent in nature, so we do not tie the cats. They, for this reason, the man at the pet store was confused. Okay, why you are asking for the tether for the kitty? Because cats are independent in nature, we do not tie the cats, they are for the pups. Pups means puppy. Okay, so he said that tether is for the leash, is for the pups. Let's get your kitty a collar bow. So he is going to find out a collar bow. Okay, collar bow means beautiful bow, a collar in which we will be having a bow also. Okay, if you remember this thing, that you always have seen the kitties with collar bow, right? So this is the picture for collar bow. So this is the collar for the kitty, and this one is the bow that usually you see in the necks of kitties. Cats के इसके अंदर, cats के collars के अंदर we usually see the bows. So it looks pretty. Okay, so that's why he said that we are going to find out a collar bow for your kitty. Come this way, see what we have to show. So he said that let's come to this way, and I'm going to show you some pieces of collar bow. So we passed by arrays. Now what do you mean by arrays? Large number of things placed in order. Okay, so like there is some things kept in the order, and they are placed in bed, and the pets. So this all are the pets that are kept, and there are other things also that is kept. If you visit a pet shop, you remember there is a lot of things that are kept. For example, food supplies for the pets, and then there will be there will be the beds. Okay, there will be their toys. Okay, so a lot of things are kept in the pet shop nowadays. Charmed I was at the sight of the colorful lovebirds. So he was pleased, he was very much pleased, he was very happy to see, the beautiful lovebirds that are kept over there in the pet shop. So he was very happy to see so many colorful lovebirds in hues of pink. Hues means shade. Okay, so it was in the shades of pink. Okay, it was in the shade of yellow, purple, snow means white. So he was very snow. Okay, yellow, purple, pink. So there were many colorful birds over there, love birds. Okay, and he was very pleased by seeing all these birds. There were rabbits too, and goldfish in a bowl. So as you can see, there is a goldfish in the bowl, and the rabbits too in the pet shop. So he can see, we have seen lovebirds, we have seen rabbits, we have seen goldfish in the bowl. Okay, so there were many pets kept in the pet shop. Is that a lizard in that box amidst those balls? He said that, is that a lizard? Okay, he's literally shocked to see, in order to in middle of that balls. So there was a lizard in the walls. Okay, so now, hey, but aren't they supposed to be crawling up walls? He said that, aren't they are crawling up walls? Why you have kept inside the balls? Means he is the lizard is kept in the box, and there are, this lizard is kept in the box, and there were many balls inside it, and he was said that, aren't they are supposed to crawl the walls? Why you have kept in the box? Because this is not something that is usual as a pet. So he was literally shocked. Crawling means emits means that it is in the middle of walls. Crawling means move forward in the hands and knees, or by drags. Okay, on the hands and the knees, or by dragging the body close to the ground. Okay, so if you remember that, how does a lizard crawl? A lizard crawls on the it just drags its body close to the wall. Okay, so now that's called a gecko. So it is called a gecko. So a gecko is a small lizard usually found in warm region. So there is a name of that lizard, we called it a gecko. Some love them as pet to keep. So some people actually love them to keep this as pet. Others like turtle or frogs that leap. So some people likes to keep, some people likes to keep gecko, and some people like to keep frogs and turtles and frogs. Turtles are animals that walk slowly, and some people also like to keep frogs also that leap. Leap means jump. They can jump. So a lot of people have different choices to keep at as pet. Okay, oh, then I might want a turtle and a tiny frog. So now the boy said that I want a turtle too and tiny frog. Only I need to find a pond and a bog. So he said in that he wants to find a, but he has to find, there is a place that where you can keep your turtles and frog. So he said that we have to find a pond and a bog, pond for the turtle and bog for the frog. So here bog means is a spongy and a wet ground soil, dead plants होते हैं जहाँ पे बेटा frogs are usually kept at these kind of places where you have some soil, some water, some spongy like structure. Okay, and there is dead plants also because frogs and turtles will be very happy in that kind of place. Sure, they are yours. So the shopkeeper told them, yes, you can take them, I don't mind. And the collar's bow too. Do you want collar's bow? Because the actual thing that they were buying is collar bow. So, oh right, I think for now just the collar would do. So he said, oh yes, yes, yes. He said that for right now we are not going to take the turtle and the tiny frog. We are going to take the collar. Okay, because right now they have to find the pond and the bog. So here he has to find the collar. Here he has to firstly he will be taking the collar bow. Now then afterwards they are going to think about the turtle and the tiny frog. Okay, because they have to find the place for them to keep them. So this is it. This much we is the poem, and we are going to discuss about the question answers and everything. I hope that you have understood the poem well. So it is quite interesting poem. So I'm going to ask you some questions. I hope everything is clear to you people. Bye bye students.